If you've ever needed to check exactly what changed between two versions of a document in Microsoft Word, this video is for you. Whether you're working with an edited draft, comparing feedback from a colleague, or reviewing changes before sending a final file, Word has a built-in compare tool that makes this process fast and easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to compare two versions of a document in Microsoft Word step by step, so you can see every change clearly without doing it manually. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump into Microsoft Word and get started. The first thing you want to do is open the document you're working in, or just open Microsoft Word from your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word keeps tools for editing, tracking changes, and comparing documents, so this is the right place to begin. After you're in the Review tab, look for the Compare option. Depending on your version of Word, it may appear as a button in the ribbon, usually in a section related to comparison or protecting documents. Click Compare and then choose Compare again from the drop-down if prompted. This tells Word that you want to check two files against each other and generate a detailed difference report. Now a dialog box will appear, and this is where you choose the two documents you want to compare. In the original document box, select the older version of the file. This should be the version you want to treat as the starting point. Then, in the revised document box, choose the newer or updated version of the same document. Word needs both files so it can detect the changes between them accurately. If you're not sure which file to place where, think of it this way. The original document is the base version, and the revised document is the edited one. That's important because Word will use the original as the reference point and highlight what was added, deleted, or changed in the revised copy. Take a second to double check that you selected the correct files, because choosing the wrong ones can make the comparison confusing. Once both documents are selected, click OK. At this point, Microsoft Word will analyze the two files and create a new comparison document. Usually, Word opens this in a new window and labels it something like Compare 1. This new document is the result of the comparison, and it shows all the differences between the two versions. In the comparison view, Word will highlight changes in red, which makes it very easy to spot edits at a glance. You'll also typically see a side panel or review pane showing a list of the changes, including insertions, deletions, and formatting updates. This is especially useful if you need to review every single modification before approving or sharing the document. One of the best things about this feature is that you don't have to manually read both files line by line. Word does the hard work for you, making it much easier to catch even small changes that might otherwise be missed. So if someone sent you a revised contract, report, essay, or proposal, this tool can save you a lot of time and reduce mistakes. If you want to go one step further, you can use the comparison results to decide whether to accept or reject changes, depending on your workflow. Even if you're just using the Compare tool to spot differences, it gives you a clear visual breakdown that makes review much faster and more organized. And that's really all there is to it. To compare two versions of a document in Microsoft Word, go to the Review tab, select Compare, choose your original and revised files, and then click OK to view the results in a new comparison document. It's a simple process, but incredibly useful whenever you need to track edits between file versions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.